Hey YouTube, welcome back to Nonconformist Eyewear. Thank you for all the love and support on the previous videos. In today's video, I would like to share with you one reason why I am absolutely forced to separate one particular lock, just one particular lock on my head, for reasons beyond my control. You all know in my community here on YouTube, I go for just letting it be. I wash and I let it be. That's all I do. Promise you. I wash it, I let it go. But I've noticed that there is one lock that really disturbs me. Now let me take us back to when we had loose hair. If you've ever had to cornrow your hair or single plait your hair or braid your hair, and the hair at the nape of your head has been snatched, or even when it's not snatched but the hairdresser just catches like a single strand of hair right at the back of your neck and it just pulls when you turn your head a certain way. Well, what you can see here as we pan around a bit more is me sticking my finger under a few strands of hair that, this is new hair as well, that is trying to be pulled in by that lock, that thick lock you can see at the back there to the right. Yes, the one above my finger. There is a strand of hair there. As you can see, my finger is underneath it. It pulls on the nape, and it's very uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable. I've had to pull it apart or just ease it off. I don't even know the right terminology. Separate, I don't know what I should even call it, but it's uncomfortable. And can you believe that I did this a few weeks ago and it seems like it's happening again? The hair there just seems to always want to crawl into the existing lock. Don't know what's going on. So this is the one time where I feel like I have no choice but to, in quotes, separate, if that's the word. Wouldn't do it anywhere else on my head. And don't have that feeling. I do not have that feeling or get that feeling anywhere else on my head. Anyway, the locks are coming along really nicely. I feel like I'm going to end up with probably 5 or 6 locks in total, the way things are shaping up. But yeah, they are coming along nicely, just tons of Congo everywhere. So that pretty much is all I wanted to say in today's video. Have you experienced that as a freeform lock wearer or even a lock wearer? Yeah. All right, see you all soon. Bye bye.